In this chapter, we are studying about the natural calamities. Already we have seen earthquake. Now we are going to study the volcano. What's a volcano? A volcano is a vent or opening on the earth's surface through which hot, molten rock, ash and gases come out of from the below surface of the earth. Look, here is the earth. The center of the earth, it is too hot. Because of the increased temperature, the rocks become melted. That's called magma. And this magma bursts out through a vent. Through a vent means an opening like this. It bursts out. Here is the magma, and this magma bursts out through the vent of the earth's surface. It comes like here, like this. Lava. This is lava, and at the time of this bursting, there is the ash, gases, everything come out of the surface. What's lava? When the magma bursts out from the surface of the earth, it's called lava. Look here, the molten rock. The molten rock is magma, and when it comes out of the surface, it is called lava. There are three types of volcanoes. One is active volcano, second one is dormant volcano, third one is the extinct volcano. Look, what's an active volcano? Look here, active means here like a man, he is very active. The meaning of the dormant means sleeping, and again this extinct means it has like a dead one. Active volcano means that have erupted in the past and it will erupt again. One example is Mount Fuji near the Pacific areas. The second one, dormant volcanoes. Volcanoes that have not erupted for a long time, like that it is sleeping, but there is a chance for erupt again. The example is Mauna Kea in Hawaii. The third one is the extinct volcano. Volcanoes that have not erupted for a long time and it may not erupt again. It means that active volcano, it is again is active, again is burst out. Dormant volcano, it is like a sleeping one and it will erupt again. And extinct volcano like a dead one. Here we studied about the volcano. What's a volcano? Again I am telling, volcano is a vent or opening through the surface which is magma burst out, and we studied three types of volcanoes. Again, now we are, this is already question and answers, you can study it from the PowerPoint presentation. Then I am teaching you about the tsunami or tidal waves. Already we studied about the earthquake and volcano. What is tsunami? Tsunami is otherwise known as tidal waves. Tsunami is the result of an earthquake or a volcanic eruption that occurs under the sea. It forms huge water waves that rush towards the shore at a very high speed. Like this. Think that this is sea, and here is the seashore. Some plants are here. This is like a coconut tree. And here, under the sea, any earthquake or volcanic eruption, because of it, very huge waves. It comes like, it's a size up to 15 meter. It's a size up to 15 meter, and its speed is 800 kilometer per hour. How much? 800 kilometer per hour. It causes a lot of loss to the life. In 2004, there was a very big tsunami. Its epicenter is at Sumatra, at Indonesia. 20 lakh people died of that. Then flood. We are studying about the flood. This is another natural calamity. This is the fourth one. Have you seen a flood? At Kerala, we are facing that every year. What's a flood? A flood occurs when a river overflows its banks. Bank means the sides. The causes of flood. A variation in air pressure causes sudden tropical storms. Storm means very big storm, hurricane like a typhoon, cyclone, tropical storm and hurricane, and it results flooding in coastal area. This is the first reason. What is a flood? A flood is when river overflows its banks. There is mainly three causes for the flood. One is a variation in the air pressures. Because of the very much wind, it causes a flood in the coastal area. At here, Punjab, we have no coastal areas. The next one is due to a long and hot summer, the glaciers or the snow, it melts in the mountains. It melts. It causes sudden gushing, sudden coming of the water to the river. It also causes flood. Then the third reason, a damaged dam causes flood. One is the wind, a hurricane. Second one is the melting of the glaciers. The third one is a damaged dam also causes flood. Then what is the happening? What will happen? Side effects of the flood. Think that this is a river. River is coming, and some houses are nearby, some plants and some animals. Everything will wash off during the time of the flood. And contamination of the drinking water happen. Animals and people drown. What can we do? Yes. And after the flood, we see alluvial zone. What's an alluvial zone? When the water comes, it washes off the all areas, and some soil come near the sides of the banks of it come on the banks of the river. This topsoil is very fertile, and it is called alluvial soil. Do you observe that some plants, most of the plants nearby the banks, nearby the banks of the river, that they grow very well because of the alluvial soil. How can we control the flood? Already you studied. There is about the afforestation, deforestation, cutting of the trees. Deforestation causes the global warming. First one we can do afforestation. What is the meaning of the afforestation? Planting more trees. Planting more trees. Then again embankments. Embankments means if this is a river, we can make raised areas here. That is the embankment, or we can make bunds. Embankment. Raised embankments. Raised embankments. Then already we saw one cause of the flood is the damaged dam. What will happen after the damaging of the dam? The old water will sometimes a district will destroy because of that. So we have to check the proper checking of dam, proper maintenance of the dam. There is mainly three causes for the flood, and mainly the three managements for the flood. And what can we do management of flood? Make the higher houses in a higher area if there is a chance of flood, and while the flood comes, we call the army or rescue team in case of non-availability of transportation. What's the meaning of non-availability of transportation? At the time of the flood, our road, we cannot see the roads, anything else. Everything will go under the water. Then you look here, the glossary. Calamity means disaster. Impact means result. Tremor means shake. Intensify means strength. Predict means prophecy. Molten means melted. Solidifies, hardened. Dormant means sleeping. In this lesson, we studied about the volcano, flood, and tsunami. You studied well. Thank you.